starting and I'm trying not to scream because I'm excited. She's gonna horseback riding for the first time ever.
I'm not gonna fall. I said it, now I'm gonna fall.
I mean, even if she does, these horses are so small. You're falling like 4 feet off the ground. Like,
yeah, I'm larger than the horse.
Yeah, honestly, it'll be fine. But I'm really excited. So yeah.
And everybody knows you're fake. You're everything I fucking hate.
Thank you for that.
You can't put that on there though.
Why not?
Curse words, yeah.
I love copywritten music.
And curse words.
It's fine.
Just bleep it out. I think 2 people listen to God's Next, so like no one
Yeah, that's fine. I'll listen to your cred. What's the song called?
I fucking hate you by Canon.
There you go. This is such an inspiring lyrics.
This is my childhood, except my dad would always skip the song for some reason.
Oh, I couldn't possibly imagine why.
I don't know why either.
Say it. Can you say that again?
We done! That's literally all of Rob. He's like, just let me. Such a love. I'd love to have you. You're all the same to me. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, let me play the song. I have that song.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead inside. I'm screaming. Oh my god. So we just finished riding horses. It was kind of the greatest thing in the world, but Annika, what did you do?
I fell off immediately. Off the front.
I swear to God.
It just put its knees down and was like 1, 2, 3, nope.
I mean, at least you're not injured, but...
No, I got the wind knocked out of me, and I'm dirty, but I'm not injured. I'm glad I did not fall in horse crap.
Yeah, that would have been unfortunate. But, I mean, besides that, it was kind of amazing. Kind of really amazing. It was really pretty. There was like streams and rivers and flowers everywhere. Yeah, there was a lot of flies by the river. That's fine. Just ignore the flies.
No, I can't.
The flowers were like amazing. It was so pretty. My horse was awesome. I miss her already. I want to take her.
I don't miss my horse. I was like, okay, thank you, goodbye. So, get the show on. Get paid.
Swear to God.
All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
This bus is cancer.
Not that many buses.
Ryo fights. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it is.
Wow. Go for the moon.
Same.
Primary signal.
Hey now, you're an all-star.
What you mean, Rhapsody?
Go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on. Get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting star. Somebody ask, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little shade. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense.
So we're about to go on a 2-hour-ish hike, I think.
3-hour tour. No, it's just 2 hours.
No.
The song goes 3-hour tour.
Okay.
It's squishy here.
Cloud appreciation.
This is that bad.
No, it isn't. Are you still filming? Yeah.
A little fall off.
I really hope you do. You're rude. I'm still not over the fact that you fell off of it.
Yo, it's
So funny.
put its knees down. I fell off.
You really do have bad balance.
It put its knees on the ground. Right, you staying on the horse and it put the knees on the floor?
Sure.
Well, I'm not you. So, bite me.
We get it, you vape. If I fall on these rocks, it's gonna hurt really bad.
Oh yeah, oh.
And I'd probably rip my leggings open, and that would be even more unfortunate. Go back to the time I ripped open my leggings trying to hop a fence. That was a good time. Micah, how are you feeling?
I'm pretty good.
Yeah? Practice hurting. That's good. How do you feel about Iceland?
It's icy.
It's really not,
No,
though.
it's not. The bike, it's, again, greatest prank of all time.
Said the Vikings.
They went
to the
to
world.
they found Iceland, Greenland, they're like, hey, Iceland, it's so great and shit. The other place is not cool. Let's name them opposite so people go to Greenland and we can have Iceland. Like a rocks, boy.
I'm getting Lord of the Rings vibes.
Well, what
So
vibe?
pretty. Lord of the Rings vibes.
How cute.
I'm like expecting to see Legolas come running down that path on his horse, shooting arrows. Hell yeah.
I'm trying to stop myself from picking up every single rock.
That would be a lot of rocks.
I love rocks.
I know you do.
Everyone loves just to pick up rocks. It's like a pack.
I hate to pick up rocks.
Why?
Slegdubenslder. Slegdubenslder. Same. I honestly can't with this place.
Huh?
It's so beautiful here.
It is. It's very like movie-esque.
Yeah.
I feel like we're in a movie, except it's only a movie. We're in it.
Wow. If a dragon just flew out of this canyon right now, I honestly wouldn't be surprised. R.I.P. If I fall, I really hope I get it on video.
This is like a rock.
Oh boy.
It would be not a fun avalanche.
What, you don't want to be in a mudslide, Annika?
Why, what's wrong?
I did one of these things in flip-flops
Ooh.
on lava rock and literally sliced my knee like
All the way open.
No bueno.
Oh my god.
Are you stealing another rock? You might not get them out of this thing.
I hope Annika gets put on an Iceland watch list.
Yeah.
Banned from Iceland for taking rocks.
Oh, really? They found them.
So here we got some lovely shoop. 2 little baby shoop. So cute. No, put your hand directly into the boiling water.
Oh wow.
Toasty toast? Ooh, it's warm right here. Ooh, it is warm. Nice.
So you want to take off your shoes and socks and roll off your pants, you can go for a little walk in the water.
Okay,
You can also have your sandwich here, we can stop here for 20 minutes.
okay.
See where the trails meet over there where the 3 people are walking. There's a sign with no horses. We're going to meet there in 20 minutes, 20 past 12.
Awesome.
And then start the walk so you can hold it up. Break, yeah.
Thank you.
If you find a place where there's a little wind, there'll be a few flights there.
Alright.
Definitely open up there.
Hello. Monica, thoughts on hot springs?
Oh, they're nice and toasty.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
See?
We should get some at Irvine.
Ooh, what kind of sandwich you got there? Is it the sandwich variety?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's in that?
Probably ham, cheese, tomatoes, cucumbers.
Probably ham, or is it yak? Just kidding, they don't have yaks here. Is it,
It's horse meat.
I would literally scream. Is it puffin meat? I honestly hope it is. Is this the most beautiful place you've ever eaten a sandwich?
Yes, actually.
Honestly, same. Not that I have a sandwich, but it's fine.
Are you jealous of my sandwich?
Nah. Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, I'm jealous of my sandwich.
Well, it smells awesome. Not so much. All right. Trying to die.
Oh yeah!
Oh my goodness.
Your boy. Alright.
So we out here, a dangerous photo op, but it's fine. They think I'm gonna fall off, but that's not the plan. Thoughts on ravines?
God damn it, Taylor! Taylor, look what happened again.
Good. Come on. What are your thoughts on ravines?
They are steep and deep.
Yeah?
Steep and deep.
Steep and deep? Becky, thoughts on ravines?
They were high. Wait,
High?
what are ravines?
That's a ravine.
Oh, they are steep
Steep?
and high.
High?
High, steep. I like steep and deep. It rhymes.
High, steep, and deep.
Me
Yeah.
too.
Yeah?
I too am high, steep, and deep.
Alright. Ravines are high, steep, and deep according to this crowd.
According to us, obviously we are geniuses.
According to this poll I just took.
2 people. Good poll.
Yep.
Is that just a bag over there?
Yes.
Can we steal it?
So that is where we need to be. And this is where we are. Yay! My mood right now. So we're here in a museum about Saga, aka Viking.
No, it's the saga of
AKA
one Viking man.
Yeah.
I think it's one, but it's a saga.
It's pretty dang.
It's lame.
I said thanks, Maria. It doesn't want to focus.
It's pretty lit.
You're pretty lit. I'm pretty lit. But yeah, basically what I'm gathering is there's lots of swords and pointy helmets.
No, really.
Yeah. Me too. Yeah, this guy's straight up terrifying.
I'm like, how do you move?
It's gonna come.
Do you think these things walk around at night when no one's here? They just kind of move? Why do I relate to this horse? Where were slaps 1 and 2? I have so many questions about what's going on here.
That'd be headache.
Oh,
Wow, really?
Hey, look, right to the gift shop. Wow.
I mean, same mood right now. What? Thoughts on Vikings?
They were brutal rapists. Pillagist is not a word, but I made it a word.
It is now. Congrats.
But they're also awesome. And when I was blonde, back in the day, I was Viking. I looked like a Viking. I could look like a Viking. Shut up.
Anymore though.
No, I have pink hair. Vikings didn't have pink hair.
How do you know? Maybe they did. Maybe they had pink hair. Maybe they used the blood of their enemies to dye their hair pink. Honestly, Vikings wouldn't.
Vikings were They probably did, honestly. It's probably where gingers came from. That's why I don't have a soul.
Wait.
Why I don't have a soul.
Hey, Annika.
Hey.
Thoughts on rivers?
Why must you do this all the time?
Oh god. Thoughts on rivers?
They riv, man. They riv.
Riv isn't a verb.
You're not a verb.
I didn't ask to be a verb. It's not a river. Olivia. Thoughts on rivers? My suitcase better not be wet. See, that's a good thought. That's a good thought. That's a good like thought.
Wait, this road is it's not FDA approved. FDA approved. Yep.
I didn't realize roads had to be approved by the FDA. Oh my god. It's not even a road, though, it's just kind of rocks.
It's not a road, it's a gravel path that a cars drive on, so I guess it's a road.
No.
There's rivers cutting through it. Like, look outside. Look at that. That's what the road looks like.
That's the road.
That's the road.
That's the road. She goes. There he go. There he go. Looks like a bug. No. Hey, baby. There he go. There he go. Yes. It's cold.
Lydia's in a tank top.
I don't know how she's alive right now. Apparently, part of the new season of Game of Thrones is filmed here. It's not out yet. So apparently, Iceland is just like the Game of Thrones country, kind of like New Zealand is the Lord of the Rings country. There's my home, my rightful place. Take me back to my people. So now we are entering this dragon nest. Oh my god. Yeah, Becky! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Yeah, Annika.